first day, when we maybe come at the next, we have to count and see how many they are. Because to train the family of gorillas, you must be having the composition of 7 and above, 7 individuals. That's when the family qualifies to be trained. So when we count the nests and we find